Hello and welcome back to the channel.
Today, we're exploring a game changer for modern homes, multifunctional room dividers. Whether you're in a small flat or an open plan house, these versatile solutions are perfect for creating defined spaces without compromising style.
Let's get started. Room dividers are no longer just for separating spaces.
They're stylish, practical, and can even add storage or functionality to your home.
Here's your ultimate guide to choosing and using them effectively. First up, let's talk about the types of room dividers. You've got options like folding screens, sliding panels, open shelving units, and even curtains. Each has its own benefits depending on your space and needs. Folding screens, portable and decorative. Sliding panels, perfect for modern homes. Open shelves, add storage and style. Curtains, flexible and budget-friendly. Step 1. Folding screens. These are brilliant for renters because they don't require installation. Choose one with a bold pattern to make it a feature piece in your room.
Step 2. Open shelving units.
These are my personal favorite because they double as storage and a design element.
You can display books, plants, or decorative items while creating a clear boundary between spaces.
Tip: choose shelving with an open design to keep the space feeling light and airy.
Step 3. Sliding panels.
These work well in open plan homes where you want a flexible divider. They can be glass, wood, or even fabric. The choice is yours. If you're in a small flat, lightweight options like curtains or hanging plants can divide spaces without making them feel cramped. Bonus, they're super easy to change up when you fancy a new look.
Feeling creative?
Try a DIY room divider.
Use wooden pallets, pegboards, or even an upscaled ladder.
It's a fun way to add a personal touch to your home.
So, there you have it, the ultimate guide to multifunctional room dividers.
They're perfect for adding style, privacy and functionality to any home. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite room divider ideas in the comments below. See you in the next video.
Subscribe for more home design tips.